Hello everyone, I am Sanjay Landge, Managing Director in Blue Mark Software Private Limited. We are located in Pune. I am pleased to inform you that our company has developed a platform that is called Abli Expo. This is used for online exhibition. I am very pleased to again inform you that this is one of the best innovation in India today for industries. We intend to provide online exhibition facilities to SMEs and MSMEs particularly located in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Now why this online exhibition? You are aware now real exhibitions are very costly, and to attend this exhibition again you have to travel longer distance, maybe in India or offshore countries also. Online exhibition can be made by sitting in your office, and you can see that exhibition by sitting in your home also. And again, this is interactive exhibition. You can interact with the visitors and viewers. You get all data analytics through online exhibition. Through online exhibitions, you can promote your goods, services, products in domestic country as well as in offshore countries. So there is no particularly difference between the virtual exhibition and physical exhibition. What you are doing in a physical exhibition, same thing you are doing in a virtual exhibition. You are interacting with the visitor, you are showing your videos, you are showing your brochures, you are explaining about your company, you are explaining about your product, and you can also sell your product on online exhibition. This is what the importance of online exhibition is, and furthermore, this is very economical also. And this exhibition goes for longer days like 10 days to 15 days. It can be shown within country at various places and in offshore various countries at various times. This is the flexibility available in online exhibition platform. We intend to make all made in India products globally known, because this is a need of ours. All those who are located in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, they are not in a position to make promotions in the real exhibition, physical exhibition, only because lot of printing cost and lot of cost for buying the stalls. However, now any person located in the remote place of India will be able to show his product globally, and he can increase his business, he can enhance his profit through online exhibition. One of my client was saying, market बंद हुआ तो क्या हुआ, Abli Expo तो चालू है. Then that was my particularly award for me, because that exhibitor was from very remote place and he was making small bricks for auto industries in Tier 4 vendor category. This exhibition will enable you for vendor development, for expansion of the customer lines, for strategic alliances, forward and backward integrations, and entire thing is possible through the online exhibition. You know, we are supported by eminent organizations like MACCIA, Goa Chamber of Commerce, and so many other chambers who are supporting this exhibition today. Reason is only that we want to reach to you and make your product known to every country. So please participate in online exhibition and utilize our web version abli-expo.com. This will facilitate you to come on online exhibition. Making stall is very simple thing. You can enter into this website and you will learn how to make the stall. It is hardly 10 minutes job for you, and then you are online globally available. Please make it convenient to see Abli Expo. Thank you very much.